Hanggang sa lumubog ang araw sa gitna ng dalawang kwadradong bundok sa ilalim ng berdeng langit.
Ang galing mo mag-storytell, Karina.
Ang sarap-sarap pala ng makulay at masaya na buhay, no? Masaya kami na masaya ka na rin ngayon. Dahil sa inyong lahat, natuklasan ko kung paano maging masaya. Nung nasa Sunrisa kasi ako, wala akong kaibigan at kalaro.
Kaya dito ka na lang sa Jollytown. Marami kang kaibigan dito.
Nakakahiya naman sa inyo. Ngayon ngang nakita ko si Billy, naalala ko yung buhay ko noon. Pero marami na rin ako natutunan dito sa Jollytown. Kaya pwede na yata akong bumalik.
Talaga? But we'll miss you.
I miss all of you too. Pero I actually miss my dragon.
Yung mahilig sa mansanas?
Tama. Siya nga yung dragon ko. Kailangan ko nga mag-sorry sa kanya eh. Kasi, alam niyo ba dati, tinry talaga niya makipagkaibigan sa akin, pero sungit-sungit ko pa noon. Pero ngayon,
I'm sure he'll understand.
pwede ko na siyang turuang sumayaw at kumanta.
Right.
And now that you're happy, you can spread the same happiness and joy to others around you.
Oo nga, tama. Salamat sa inyo, ha? Jollibee, Coco, Teddy, Turley, Yum, Karina, CJ, and all my friends here in Jollytown. Dahil sa inyo, marami akong natutunan. Friendship, acceptance, singing, dancing, and of course, having a lot of fun.
At kapag masaya ka, kahit nasan ka man, parang nasa Jollytown ka.
I'll remember that. Okay, I have to go.
So soon?
I'm gonna change my world na rin. Gusto ko, kasing kulay at saya dito sa Jollytown. Bye, kids!
Alright, bye!
Miss you!
Miss you! Happy now.
Bye!
Ay!
Oh.
Oh, she's gone.
Just like that.
Bilis
Wow,
Wow, that's a good spot right there.
Have you seen a world as fun and colorful?
Yeah.
A world with lots of rainbows, colorful trees, fountain of many flavors, and goodies all around.
You said it. And like you always say, what makes Jollytown the best are our adventures, stories, and all of our friends and neighbors.
That's right. It would be very sad to lose all of this. I can't imagine a world without all of you.
Not a chance.
Or a world without colors.
You don't have to worry about that now.
Yeah. Oo nga. Kumusta na kaya ang ating kaibigan na engkantada?
Kumustahin natin siya.
Yes, let's see how she is.
Check it out.
May isang kaharian sa gitna ng dalawang kwadradong bundok sa ilalim ng berdeng langit.
I like that story better.
Sa tuktok ng isang bundok, may nakatirang napakasaya at napakagandang engkantada. Yes! Marami siyang kaibigan. Mahilig siyang kumanta, sumayaw, at makipagkwentuhan. Napakakulay at napakasaya ng kanyang mundo.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Hey, wow!
Ooh, it's hurt.
Dreams come true. No mistakes blue. So I'll see you at Jollytown.
Jollytown is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jolly.